Na.
Cover hope.
Very good!
Alright, okay. So today we're gonna be discussing what are we gonna do just in case we're gonna have a major earthquake.
No way.
Ate Jana Pasuyo,
No baby K babes.
can you tell us what are
Ano yung ginagawa
drills
niyo
niyo
sa school?
What are the
Anong gagawin nyo in case there's a earthquake?
rock cover? Oh!
What do you mean by the cover hold? Luis, explain.
It's also important. It's also important for the president to stay behind, so she could check who's left behind.
Same with the janitor.
Oh yeah, janitor.
Sa amin, yung naka-assign or the person assigned to check is Kuya Nards.
Okay,
Kuya Nards.
Yeah, so
Okay.
Yeah, sila
Yan, can I borrow?
special mention Kuya Lars. And where are you gonna go?
It's actually decided on street or the same street but different spots.
It's usually
Because the first earthquake.
So, to make it sure, sa parking area.
the way they did it for us is each of us would say a number, our number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If like a number is missing, like we wait for like a little. Yeah, we wait for like a little bit, and after there's the aftershock, we go check, or someone goes out.
Goes out to what?
Like the person inside goes out to see check if they're still outside. Or one of the areas we also went to, if there's like no time to open the gates, we go to the quadrangle, right? The quadrangle, because it's like
Yeah, but you always have a guard naman dun sa gate, so you don't have to worry about that.
yeah, but it's like they like the gates locked, where there's like no time to
And besides, your teacher will guide you.
yeah.
Yes. So the reason that we ask where you're gonna go, so it is you all three of you said you're going to Palau Street.
Okay, Palau Street. So, what?
Sa service area, babe. Schools. Yeah, Kuya Yuki din.
Yeah,
But
it's a
if
school
you
policy
still
to
at
have one.
Para alam namin kung saan kayo pupuntahan.
The reason kasi, we're most probably, kung sino yung nearest sa aming tatlo sa area, we're gonna have Patahin.
Kasi anim tayo. Kasama yung mga boys.
Yeah, anyways, yeah, kung sinong nearest sa amin, we will be the ones to pick you up. Pagka pick up sa inyo, magkakasama na kayong apat. Sasakay sa car, then we're gonna leave. Something like that.
Pero
So-
what if we're told like to go to another place, like to a safer place, or like
Most probably, we will know. Kasi maraming students ng matter, imposible hindi naman kayo makita kung nasaan kayo.
And also you're the nearest.
Kaya nga, Gabi,
The main objective, sana, if possible, is for you guys to be together. So, we're gonna
kaya
check.
Gabi, Luis, you are the oldest, both of you. Okay?
You find
have
your
to-
cousins and
You have
be
to
in
look for
one
Castle
place.
and UB. And be together.
Yeah, and you have to take care of each other
What
by
is
the time, when the time comes.
Alright, what if?
What if Tita, one of us gets lost? What do we do?
You have to look for
You
each
have to
other.
look for each other. Be in one place. We are gonna look at Google Maps and find out where Palau Street is. I don't remember where Palau Street is.
I will be giving you again whistles.
Yeah?
Whistles. I'm going to buy sa Divisoria
And
whistles.
once you are together,
And put it in your ID, yung whistles nyo, so you have it every time.
And don't play with it, okay?
Yeah.
Whistles are not toys, okay? You have to use it in case of emergency only.
okay. So as I'm saying, once you are all together, hindi na kayo pwedeng maghiwalay. Okay? Doon
You
kayo
have to
magkikita-kita.
remember that after nyo, then you stick with the line and then anyway,
And if
magulo na
anyway,
yan.
If that time comes, leave all your things behind.
Yeah, leave
Don't bring
everything.
your bags.
Don't bring
Unless
your
the bag
bags,
going
yeah.
ground.
Can we use your
Just
bags
get a book.
Because we
Yes,
have like
you can.
tons of books in it, so if like something like shelf falls up, they'll mostly disperse the books.
Right, yeah. It's a panic
So you have to
reaction.
be prepared, you have to be strong, you have to be brave. You should remember what we talked about today. Where you gonna go?
Tindahan, when we found everyone else.
And how about you, B?
We find
Look
them
for him
first.
first.
Okay.
Yubi, where you gonna go after? Sa tindahan, right?
You know where the store is? Huh? Okay.
Kasi dahil may warning ng Ken.
You have to look for kuya and ate, okay?
No, there's a difference. You find that one, it's normally marked.
If it has a pillar, you can go close to it.
Yours is close to the door, so I don't think
No, I'm
that's
not
a
close to the
pillar.
door anymore, Mommy.
Don't go in the middle of the door. Don't go in the side where the wood is stuck to. Okay, not the door itself, but the pillar, the where the door is connected to. Go close there. So you need to think. You need to think and be close to a pillar. Remember, a pillar, it's gonna be extended. Matter has that. Between the two windows, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's
Between
gonna be.
two walls, there's
Oh,
It's gonna be
I
extended
have actually
thing.
one chair before that.
Oh,
Yeah, okay, that's
Okay.
good.
I have
That's
one
good.
Where all of us are gonna go.
Yeah.
And
We're gonna be preparing the go bags in case. So we have
Yes.
clothes
Anyways.
and something to eat.
all of us being together is gonna be easy. The hardest part is Mama, evacuation center. Ngayon din
Yung sa golf course.
maglalagay ng evacuation center.
Saan ang evacuation center natin?
May sinabi.
Kayo? Sa circle. Ang layo.
God.
Ito, I have
Sino
it. I have the
nakaisip niyan?
article.
So sa'yo, Mama, after nun, dun lang kayo?
No, to help you understand, when we get here, we're gonna find the place. Most likely, dyan tayo sa harap ng bahay. Kasi there's nothing tall that's gonna fall down. There's no electric
Pero mas
post.
safe pa rin
Hey,
yung bahay na to.
hey, listen, no electric post that's gonna fall down. So you need to remember where are you going?
In school,
Yubi.
the tindahan.
Okay.
Sumagot na si Yubi.
Alright, good
Duck
job.
overall. Duck overall. Duck overall.
Okay, so that's
Nag-duck
how
overall
we're
sa
going.
Basta always remember na pupuntahan at pupuntahan namin kayo.
Yes.
Do not panic. We're gonna
Ako.
find you. Alright. So, sa tindahan pupunta and you are going
To stick together.
what are you gonna do? You're gonna
Look for UB.
dock where?
Pillar.
Near the pillar.
You're
You're gonna go low near the pillar, like in a pillar like that by the door, sit there and cover your heads with a book or something, so no sharp objects will be able to hit your head.
Or bag.
I'm
Or
here
back.
to laugh.
Yeah,
That's
and
my
your
biggest problem.
mama's gonna give you a whistle. What is the whistle for?
To look for
Diesel
each
and
other.
flashlights. I'm going to
Whistle?
buy again.
Good job.
Kagulo and there's no adult. Yun yung scenario, there's no adult na mag-guide sa inyo. At least you know what to do first. Pero pag nandun yung teachers, principal, and
And
they tell you what to do,
someone is there to guide
you
you.
follow them.
You follow them, okay? But we just want to make sure that you know what to do right now, that before it happens, in case there would come a time that there would be no adults. You just have to be patient and
Stay calm.
stay calm.
After show.
You have your whistles and you have food naman sa baon nyo and things like that. So
Tayo
don't
mo sila
worry.
madadaanan ng extra biscuits, tsaka t-shirts.
Yeah, and we're gonna
Tsaka
take
be-
care of your emergency kit that you need to bring with you para
You're gonna
kapag may
take care of it?
nangyari, you have,
As much as possible, kailangan may pasmina sila.
Luis, be warned.
we're
This
gonna
was,
give you
May
ano,
jacket naman lagi si
Luis,
What's a pasmin?
it's a
It's a
sheet,
shawl.
a shawl.
Luis, be warned. If there is another student that we do not know and we don't even like,
No, there's nothing like that.
I know.
It's not
Yeah.
like that.
Or something like that. You're gonna be the one carrying them if they get injured.
No.
I'm the Girl Scout,
No,
so
don't.
it's kind of been my
Priority.
duty.
Sinong priority nyo?
You be at
Kayong 4
Four.
muna.
Kayong
Yes.
4 muna. Because most probably the other students, their parents are gonna pick them up. So you
But-
don't have to worry
Question,
about
what
them.
if the front way
Still
gets
trying to
blocked,
be
like a few debris like falling in front of the entrances?
So
The
connect to the Girl Scout
adults in
post.
your school will tell you where
Yeah,
to
and
go.
the fireman,
Contact you.
they have contacts with firemen who can probably help you.
Conclusion.
Alrighty, so
Alright.
that covers it.
Okay, last recap. What are you guys gonna do? Gabby.
Look for,
Probably duck cover and hold, but always
hold
stay
on,
close.
hold on to a pillar.
Okay,
Yes.
the next.
After the everything, group up with each other. Go to the Palau Street
Mm-hmm.
and wait for everyone to group up and whistle to look for each other. Look for UB first as well, and go to the tindahan.
Okay.
I think it's best that you go to the tindahan and then kayo mag-meet.
Basta,
Masyado.
the gist is kapag kami nakita na kayong may nakita na kayong isa sa inyo, wag na kayong maghihiwalay.
Yun.
Alright. Understood?
Alright.
Yeah.
Then we're done.
UB, do you get it?
How do you duck cover hold? Come on.
Ah!